Yeah, this thing's sick.
I'm a businessman on a fixed income.
Alrighty, guys, we are down here on the south end, and we got basically a passenger van that I guess tried to make a U-turn, but was driving on the low side and could not complete the U-turn. So the sheriffs weren't happy with him driving out of the lane and called us to get him out of here. So we're gonna do just that.
Well, you take Zell, right?
Yeah, I can take Zal.
All right.
Absolutely. What's your name?
Go.
John. Nice to meet you.
All right.
Alrighty, so I honestly think you got anything in the back to hook up to? You got a hitch? Let me take a look. Huh?
Up there for the bumper.
Well, no, I know. I'm saying look if there's anything to hook up to.
There's no ball.
Let me take a look. Yeah, I can still hook up back there. I can just run a soft shackle through where your tow ball would go.
Yeah.
Back you up onto the hard sand here, and then honestly, we'll probably just want to go that way. I can guide you right on this edge with my hazards, and we can drive you to the next ramp there. If you get stuck again, I'll hook up to the front and pull you to the ramp. We'll make sure you get up on the concrete and get out of here, okay?
I don't carry cash. I'm a businessman on a fixed income.
I hear
Help
you.
yourself.
I'll work with you.
Uh-huh.
All right, let me work on getting hooked up, okay?
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Get up here and try to get from there.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just gonna want you in reverse. Turn that wheel a little bit to the passenger side. You're just gonna give me barely any gas. I'm gonna do like 90% of the work. We'll back you up like 10 feet or so until you're on that hard sand. Stop, get you unhooked, and then get you out of here, all right?
10 feet will fucking put me right back where before I got stuck.
Well, no, I'm talking about 10 feet back. That hard sand, you will not get stuck there.
I know
Don't worry,
that.
I ain't leaving you. I know what I'm doing.
I know that. What
So
I'm saying is, that's when I got stuck. As soon as I got off of that sand, I was fine.
there ain't no stuck mark from where I'm taking you, so you'll be just fine.
I know.
All right?
I know.
So
I walked on that. I know it's hard. And I drove on it. It was no problem. Right here is where I got stuck.
right, we're not gonna have you drive through here.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna back you up onto the hard sand, and we'll go from there. All right.
No problem.
All right, so I'm going to get in front of you and put my hazards on, and you just follow me on down to the next ramp.
Yeah.
I'll avoid the soft spots when we get to the ramp. They always normally get tore up right there where people are driving on.
Yeah.
So just get a little bit of momentum. You'll see me. I'll pick it up a little bit. You pick it up a little bit. We should roll right through. If not, I'll pull you through it, all right? Alrighty, guys. We got this van up and moving. We're going to make sure we get him off the beach. We'll see you at the ramp. All right, man. Yep, you guys have a great day, okay?
You too.
Alrighty, guys, we are down here on the south end, and we got a big old passenger van that needs some assistance, so we're going to get him up out of here. Hey, man. I hear you. What was your name?
Yeah.
John. Nice to meet you, man. Alrighty. Mostly the one side spinning, huh?
Yeah.
Got a hood?
Oh, it does have a
Oh, alright.
Oh, there now.
Cool. Yeah, I think it'd be pretty straightforward. I honestly think it's pretty flat in this lane here. If I pull you backwards and get you straight in here, you could either, I mean, two options. You could drive out of here, or there's some spots along here that are like almost like this parking spot. If you back it in real easy, like just glide it in, you probably wouldn't have a problem pulling on out when you're ready to go. You know what I mean? That way you guys could still be out here and be on the beach. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So, you know, that's either option for you, whatever, you know, you want to do, that's up to you. So I'll work on getting it hooked up. All right. So I'm just gonna want you in reverse. Try and turn that wheel to the passenger side. Just give me a tiny bit of gas. I'm gonna do most of the work. We want to keep tension on the line, and we'll just back you up until you're straight in the lane headed that way, all right? Heck yeah. Good job, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, man. Of course. You guys have a great day.
Have a great day.
Ugh, stumbling on my words a little bit. Alrighty, there you go, guys. Pretty simple one. We got them up out of there, and they can go enjoy their day. So we'll see you on the next one. Alrighty, guys, we are down here on the south end, and we got this beautiful Jeep pickup, but I guess the four-wheel drive wouldn't engage for him, so we're gonna help get him out of here. What's up, man? What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler John, nice to meet you. So where do you want to go with it? The next ramp's down a little ways. I was like, we could try and turn you around and bring you back to this ramp here. Or you want to just try and go down to the next one?
Might as well. I mean, whatever's cheaper. Like,
I mean, I ain't gonna charge you no different. Honestly, I gotta go that way anyways. I can just hook up to you and we can take you for a little ride down to the next one. Yeah, this thing's sick. You still getting, it's still spinning tire though, right?
this is
It's making a funny sound, man.
All right.
Once I get going, it'll start.
I was gonna say it's gonna be a little bit harder if it's dead weight, but hopefully if we get you up, it'll want to
I was
move.
sitting right there. He was going, and all of a sudden he just died out.
Yeah.
Now it ain't doing nothing.
All right. Is manual or automatic?
Automatic.
Okay.
He pulled me out before.
I was gonna say I feel like I've seen this before.
It was like ass in there.
Oh yeah, your 4x4 wasn't working, right? Same story.
Man, I gotta fix it.
Good job. And now you just fine.
Yes, sir.
That's what we're talking about.
Badass.
Thank you, man. This thing's beautiful. I love the color on this one. So yeah, basically I'd throw a bridle on the front and we just pull you on down to the next ramp. It should be all right. I mean, even if you're dead weight, I probably got enough weight to just pull you on through.
Right.
But we'll get it hooked up. I'll want you in there. You can try and give it a little bit. If it's not doing much, it ain't going to do much. It's fine. But I think once we get it up and rolling, we'll probably be all right.
All right.
Yep. So now with these straight axles, I'm going to go here. And I think you just go on the inside of that leaf spring.
Here.
Yeah. Because it's always going to want to slide in, remember? We want to hug that pumpkin, basically. Not pull on the suspension, per se. I mean, this thing's pretty clean. It's obviously been undercoated, but...
Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to say, but normally you can tell, like, if it's been undercoated and it was really gone. But this thing looks pretty good, man. All right. Here we go. This thing's light as hell. Normally it sucks pulling dead weight. No, literally. Even the frame was like skinnier than O2's. Debating because it's kind of a much sharper turn than is. I honestly might just take him to. A little bit of momentum up here. I want to get him up over the edge if he has no power. Is it giving you anything? Because I was going to say, if you want, I can try and pull you up off the edge here if you're going to have to get it towed or something like that.
Yeah.
You think so? I was going to say,
Yeah, it's fine.
not doing anything. All right, let me pull you. I'll pull you up just past this, like, handicap, and we'll stick you right there.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. She don't sound too happy.
No, bro.
All right, cool. You doing cash or card?
Okay, card.
Yeah, man. At least we can get you out of there.
Always something legal.
Mm-hmm. All right, sounds good. Hey, man. You have a good one, all right?
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. All right, there you go, guys. Got him up out of there. Hopefully you can get the cute little Comanche fixed and be back out on. Got him out. Hopefully you can figure it out. See ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe